Hi, I'm Arvind KP, Team TVS Factory Rider. We are here at Nasik for the final round of INRC, that is 6th round of INRC. And it's been a great season for the team with a lot of competition in between my teammates. INRC is where I started my rallying stint also back in 2009. That was my debut year of rallying. Before that, I tried my luck at rallying for almost 3 years, couldn't get through even first loop of it. Like you see, this is where I started and I graduated towards cross-country rallying. So INRC played a great role in me as a rallyist. The competition going into round 6, I think 3 titles are at stake and 9 riders fighting for 3 titles. That is class 1, class 4 and scooters. So it's a tight competition between all the 9 riders and anybody can win the championship. So that's what at stake. So everybody is high on pressure and I'm sure they're focused and they're all looking to win the championship. So the Nasik stage consists of just one stage with the 4 loops. So every time they come into the stage repeatedly, they're just going to, they're going to charge harder and harder. I really enjoyed myself seeing them ride in the stage, and it was the last round of the rally. So it's not like everybody can win, but they're all winners as per my opinion. Today's overall winner was Rajendra, but I think it was not enough for him to seize the championship because he had a few bad races earlier with some bad luck. But today he won, of course, but the championship goes to my man, Mr. Tanveer. He rode really great through the season, being consistent and definitely capitalizing on chances of what he got. Did his best every time. And since you all know he's a very consistent rider, he did great and he backed the championship for himself. Congratulations, way to go, and good luck for the next season.
Yeah, I'm feeling very happy. First of all, by God's grace, I'm at a finish point and I'm feeling very great and I'm feeling very good right now. Yeah, it was amazing the whole season and a lot of ups and downs and a lot of rain and slush. Now last 2 stages was very fast tracks and the last round in Nasik, it was a broken tarmac and it was a fast stage and it was very risky also. Because it was a tarmac stage, I was very careful and because I was leading championship. That's why I didn't want it to fall and some crash or do some mistakes. That's why I took a very easy. Then second, third and fourth, I was just took it easy and I finished. Yeah, of course, it means a lot after giving so much gap and again coming back to in INRC and finishing championship. Of course, it means a lot. Yeah. Woo!
As far as class 4 goes, I think Samuel Jacob did a great job through the season. You know, he's a really quiet guy. He doesn't talk really much, but I think his actions spoke more than his words. I saw him as a novice rider entering the team. He comes from my town, Udupi. We share a special bond. We surely do share a special bond. He stays just like 3 kilometers away from my house. I'm extremely happy for him, to see him grow through the ranks and perform at this level, staying focused when there is so much pressure and so much competition in between the teammates as well. So I think he did great and I wish him luck for the next season as well.
Yeah, the season has been really great for me, the 2021 season. I have won out of the 6 rounds. I have won the 5 rounds, so there was a good competition among my teammates. We were all fighting for a good position in most of the rallies, and to say that I have really made a good improvement in my training and a lot of practices I have done, a lot of preparation. So ultimately I have sealed the championship and I'm really happy that I have won. Thanks to TVS Racing for all the wonderful support. They have supported me with a very well and powerful bike. I'm really thankful for TVS Racing.
And with the scooter class, Kartik Naidu won it today, but it's not just one day, they've been doing the same for hundreds of kilometers, 6 races in the season. To give you a brief about how competition was today, at the first loop, Shamim was 2 seconds ahead of Kartik, but the whole competition boiled down to the last loop, where Kartik really held on his nerves and put up a very good show. and pulled a lead of 11 seconds. So that kind of shows the caliber of both the riders, and how hard and how focused they were at winning the championship. So Karthik, job well done, great going. I wish you luck for the next season.
ಚಾಂಪಿಯನ್ಶಿಪ್ ವಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಯಿತು, 4 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಈ ಇಯರ್ ತುಂಬ ಟಫ್ ಇತ್ತು ನನಗೆ, ಶಮೀಮ್ಗೆ ಸಕ್ಕರ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಟಫ್ ಇತ್ತು. 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ 2 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಟ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಎಲ್ಲ 6 ರೌಂಡ್ಸೂ ಸಕ್ಕರ್ ತುಂಬ ಟಫ್ ಇತ್ತು. TVS ಟೀಮಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಕ್ಕರ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸ್ಕೂಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ರೌಂಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಾನು ಟಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ ಓಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ಫ್ರಮ್ ನಾರ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಟಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಓಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ತುಂಬ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ತುಂಬ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಜು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅದೇ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಇನ್ನೂ ಬೆಟರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈ ಸೀಸನ್ ಬೇರೆ ಎರಡು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಇನ್ನೂ ಬೆಟರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ರೆಡಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ.
All the scooter guys, be it Karthik, be it Shameem, and be it Asif, they were riding so fast. Their level is so high. They were way faster than many other competitors on their bikes as well. So that's how fast these scooters were going, and that's how fast these guys were riding. So with the women's class, Aishwarya put up a great show. Not just today, but the whole season. Like you all know, she's very consistent, and for example today, every loop she kind of improved on herself, clocking faster and faster every loop. That means to show that how focused she is and how hungry she was to win. Though she had the championship title already sealed for herself, that brings to show that the competitiveness that she has. She did a great job. Through the season, she kind of progressed very consistently, and I think she has a great future coming our way as well. Congratulations to her.
I won 6 out of 6 races this season. I'm elated to have won all of them. It's my 5th national rally consecutive championship, so I'm extremely happy. Well, this season my goal was not only to win the championship, but my goal was also to finish consistent top 20s, and I achieved my goal this entire season. Though I had seen the championship, that was not my focus. My focus was to be able to finish better than last time. So, and yeah, I'm very happy to have also consistently finished top 20 this entire season.
So this brings us to the end of Indian National Rally Championship. Congratulations to everybody, and thanks to everyone that has been following us, and so for all of you that have been asking TVS Racing and DMing me personally to know what my plans are, here it is. I definitely will be a part of Merzouga, that is the Dakar Series cross-country rallying, which comes up in March, and then we are looking into racing multiple cross-country rally World Championship rounds as well, and my aim is to do really great at the 2023 Dakar. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to all of the TVS Racing social feeds, and I'll see you soon.